Welcome back to Open House NYC. Now we join interior designer Garrowkedigian at one of his newest projects. Garrow shows us how he redefined classic decor to create dynamic, luxurious spaces that are filled with shimmering light, color, and of course, style. Take a look.
Hey everyone, I'm Garrowkedigian, New York City interior designer. I'd love to show you this wonderful bachelor pad, which is a quintessential example of my work. Come, let's take a look. It's sometimes tricky to make an open floor plan feel cozy. My solution was to create comfort zones that are distinct but interrelated. This chocolate velvet sectional sofa anchors this corner and allows the client to take in the views of Central Park. I always think every room should have a foreign element, a piece that no one would ever think to put into a space. And in this area, it's the bright turquoise coffee table. The style of the furniture in this corner of the room is actually tailored for comfort. But contrast is everything, so on the other side of the room, I wanted to create a little bit more formality. Even though these seating groupings are somewhat contrasted, the openness creates a dialogue between the two spaces. The dining area was created as a small room within a room, like a dining book nook, if you will. I was thrilled when the client told me he was amenable to using reds. I love to use reds. It's often the greatest pop in design. See what I mean? This is what we call our red explosion. Often, people are afraid to paint a small room a dramatic color. I, on the other hand, love to play with scale, color, massing, and texture. When a space is small, you have to do big, big, big. For instance, this wonderful bust of Julius Caesar. I always think that a guest bedroom is a perfect opportunity to do something really dramatic, as opposed to your main bedroom where you might want to be surrounded by calmness. This master bedroom is calm and gracious. It's like walking on a cloud. Scale is one of my favorite things to play around with when it comes to design. I wanted the bedroom to have some dramatic bed hangings to give the room a rather extraordinary dimension. Design for me should be inspiring and should be full of surprise. It should really redefine these notions of classic and modern. And when that happens, something truly unique occurs. I hope you enjoyed this tour.